Alright guys, this is Brian. I go under the name BrianB in chat. I've only been a lifetime member for a couple weeks now, but I've been following Andrew for at least a year now on YouTube. Watched all his videos, read his books, watched his members' videos, and all the content that he pretty much has on his channel. I'm trading for about almost 2 years now. I struggled at first, about like everybody else, on up a couple accounts. But I've been using Andrew's principles of trading for, I don't know, roughly 6 months. And it seemed to help me, especially the risk management part of it. I like his strategies. I do use his strategies, but also the main thing is his risk management. It's taught me a lot. But anyway, I want to try to do a daily recap. I noticed on this morning, or let's say this morning, it was roughly about 10:30 or so. We have this VWAP scanner, and right here, breaking out, VWAP breaking out. I noticed VSM popped up about 10:30 this morning. So pulled it up on the chart. I went straight to the chart and looked at it, and it was about right in here, I guess, somewhere right in here, 10:30. Somewhere I pulled it up, and so I popped up to the daily. I wanted to look at the daily on this one, see how it looked, and noticed that it sold off, the last 4 or 5 days pretty hard. It opened up this morning a little above 30, so I know it was pretty weak. So anyway, looking at the 1 minute. Let's see here. Looking at the 1 minute. It hit the scanner. It was about right in here, somewhere right in here. Saw it pop up, and it sold off pretty hard this morning. Sold off pretty hard. Let's see if I can't get this straight now. Sorry, you have to bear with me, guys. It sold off pretty hard. Bounced up, went back to the VWAP, came back down, tested the VWAP again, pushed through a little bit. But the volume really wasn't that, high to support this move, to really go through and push higher. So once it started coming back down and tested the VWAP, I was looking to possibly get into a trade on it. Saw this 1 minute candle right here, core line, correspond with this 5 minute candle, and it seems, just basically the spinning top doji right here on the 5 minute. That gave me even more confidence in this trade, so I decided to get in right there. It's about 29.51, and I was risking off this spinning top candle right there. It's about 20 cents. That's what I was risking. First target, I was looking to come down here, burn around this consolidation point right here. If you see, look on the 1 minute, it kind of consolidated right in here. I wanted to get, take the first half off, pay for my trade. So that's what happened. I put an order out right on that line. Put an order out. Got a partial fill right there, and then the rest was filled right there. So I had a half off on the trade. My next target was basically right here, 29.02. So I put an order out at 29.02, got a quarter fill right there. Took another quarter off, and then I was just going to let the last quarter ride until I got a 5 minute candle above this 9. And basically that's what happened right here. As soon as I got that 5 minute candle above the 9, I went ahead and took that last quarter off. So my risk to reward on that was pretty good. You're looking at 20 cent here, and then the first order first order was 21, so I got in at 51, so that's basically almost 30 cents on it, taking half off. And on the other quarter, I got 50 cents on the other quarter, and then the last quarter came all the way down to 28.74, so it's looking about 75 cents. So my risk to reward is pretty good. Anyway, I'm trying to build this small account up here. So I started out last week, $2,984. Built it up since Tuesday of last week, and then today, this is today on this count. Anyway, that's my trade for today. Thank you.